Hello, everyone. This is the Say Hello lesson wrap up. We're just going to go over a few points. A lot of these points are in your talking tips section. So we're just going to go over a few of these. The first point I want to go over is that sometimes it is necessary to respond to the last thing said. So, for instance, if someone says, "Hey Joe, long time no see," this is their greeting to me. I would respond by acknowledging the fact that it's been a long time. So I could say for sure, definitely. So I can make that acknowledgement. So for sure, and then I want to give an expression of time of my own. I can something that's different from long time no see. I can say it's been a while. No, I can say it's been a while. Yeah. Um, yeah. So the last thing said, just if it's an expression of time, just kind of acknowledge it and then you can give your own out. It's been a while. Now, if a person says this, "Hey Joe, long time no see. Have you, how have you been?" The last thing spoken. I'm going to want to I'm going to want to follow up with that question there. So, how have you been? I've been good. I've been good. How have you been? So that's how, yeah, sometimes these can get a little tricky. That's why I'm saying with any kind of greeting, it seems like an easy lesson, but it's really not because everything is very, very flexible, and it goes a little bit all over the place. So typically, you'll want to normally respond to the last thing spoken. Now, in the event that someone just gives you a big, loaded, long greeting like this one here, someone you have not seen in a long time comes up to you and says, "Hey, Joe, long time no see. It's good to see you. How have you been?" Whew. Well, in that case, if it's a really long greeting, and this will probably be rare because most times when someone hasn't seen you in a long time, they say, "Hey, Joe, long time no see." In this case, start with this first. "It's good to see you too. It's good to see you too." And then you can ask them, "How have you been?" Well, first you want to start with the name first. So, hey, hey, Kim, it's good to see you too. How have you been? But this is very rare. I don't think anyone that you haven't seen in a long time is going to give you a long greeting like this. It's typically just going to be, "Hey, Joe, long time no see." And then I did want to review over how's life been treating you one more time. So remember, if you're the first person asking this question, if you say, "How's life?" or "How's life been?" or "How's life treating you?" If you're the first one to say that, that's okay. Now, the second person, when they do their response, let's just answer the full question first. So I'm just going to say, "How's life?" And let's just say, "Been good." So this is A dialogue, B dialogue. Been good. Then I want to do the full version of the question. So I'm going to say, "How's life been treating you?" How's life been good? How's life been treating you? So do make sure if you are the person responding, do be sure to give the full question. So a lot of these tips are in your talking tips, and of course, you can look at your communication variations as well to look up other kinds of expressions that you can use with somebody you have not seen in a long time. So that is going to wrap up this lesson wrap up, and I will see you in the next lesson.